This 2025 Thor Motor Coach Rize 18M is a Class B RV. It is located in Marriott-Slaterville, Utah, 84404 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Ogden. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Thor Motor Coach is 17 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2 and 18 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features rear bath. This 2025 Thor Motor Coach Rize 18M is built on a RAM Promaster 1500 XT chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.